Well, well, look what we got here. Old man winter graced us again. We got plenty of snow. Had to physically chain up on this mountain road called I-17. It is pretty. So, YouTubers, friends and neighbors, as you can see, my job isn't as easy or as fun as everybody thinks it is. For miles. And if you look all the way up there, look, it's Super Trooper. And we're going down to one lane by the looks of it. It'll take me an hour and something to get all the way over to Flagstaff. And then from there, it's game on to get over to Albuquerque. So, like, subscribe, and tell your friends.